where we are going to make the clones of the shapes. So these are the clones here. We will try to make these designs in a different way. We will explore the changes. So that is the shape. We will express there some designs as well. Use the pen tool design to cover up there. Thank you for watching my video.